Welcome back to my channel, my dear viewers. Welcome to IB Crypto Space. As I've promised, I said I'll be showing you guys how to use Pancakeswap for trading any type of coin, be it Degens or normal tokens, anyone per se. So I want to show you guys how to run it and how to get ape into a project faster than any other person, because the earlier you're able to join a new project, the better. That's if you're joining a legit project. So right here I'll be showing you how to use Pancakeswap. Let's go to Trust Wallet. I use Trust Wallet. You can use your MetaMask. You can use any wallet you feel much more comfortable using. There is Trust Wallet. There is let me show you. I think I have, this is MetaMask. My lights, this is MetaMask. Then we also have, which other wallet do I have? I have some other wallets. Token Pocket as well can also work. So there are different type of wallets you can use for DeFi trades, so to trade Degens. So now that's that for that. I'm using wallet for the purpose of this tutorial. I'm using this particular wallet. So this is this wallet. So I want to show you how to swap. Let's go for Pancakeswap. This is Poocoin. You can see poocoin.app/swap. That's what will take you to the swap site. Poocoin is a utility platform. You can use their chart. This is their chart. I'm sorry. Let me put my phone on DND. This disturbance is getting too much. Yeah. So once you do that, you can see here we have on Pancakeswap. On Poocoin we have charts. That's where you can check charts. You can check multi-charts, but you can only check multi-charts if you are using a wider version of PC. So it's much more better for that. And you can even be seeing your balance and everything around here. Everything you're holding your wallet. That's if you connect your wallet to Poocoin, you'll be seeing that. So let's go back to the main purpose of the video, which is how to use Pancakeswap to swap tokens. So here now, as you can see here, take note of this. Sorry, here auto slippage. You can see, unlike Pancakeswap, all your slippage has to be manual. You impute if they said this project is charging 12% slippage, you have to go and impute 12% manually on Pancakeswap. But on Poocoin, it will give you the best possible slippage that will make you swap faster. So here, once you click on auto slippage, you'll be seeing this. It doesn't mean the slippage is actually 0.5. It's just the default amount that used to be there, but it will pick if it is 10% that is best for you to buy at that moment to get into the project faster. It will automatically pick 10% for you. You don't need to start inserting it manually. But if you choose to insert manually, just click on this auto slippage. Once you click on this auto slippage, you can see it's now gray. Then you can now impute the slippage of your choice, any amount you want to put, 10, 12, 14, 13, 5, 1, and so on and so forth. So that's how auto slippage works. So you click it back if you want it to go back to auto slippage. That's how auto slippage works on Pancakeswap, though on Pancakeswap. So the difference actually between Poocoin and Pancake is that though Pancakeswap, it charges kind of almost invisible difference in gas fee. So Poocoin charge a bit higher than Pancakeswap, because it's like you trying to buy express, trying to get something from express version instead of waiting on the normal queue. You want express, that's faster version. So you have to pay a bit higher gas compared to Pancake. And there are some situations whereby you notice that when you try to swap, the token is swappable, quite alright. But when you try to swap, you find it difficult. It will be showing you this slippage tolerance is this, slippage tolerance is that. In such kind of situation, what I expect you to do, there is a trick I always show people to use for them to be able to swap at that kind of moment. That kind of moment, when you use the exact amount you want to swap, it will not work. What I expect you to do is this. For example, BUSD. Let's say let's look for one token highest. I used to have highest. No, this is highest. For example, here all you need to do is, for example, I want to use the max BNB I have to buy highest, for example. So when buying, at times, especially on Pancakeswap, that you're not using auto slippage, or let me just show you from here. What I expect you to do is, you are buying 8,177,160 quantity of highest. Then what I expect you to do is clear the last two figures, then make them zeros. Trust me, if no matter how hard it's acting, it will go through at this moment, except if your wallet has been blacklisted for that particular token, or maybe the dev has disabled sell generally for that token. But if you do this, it will definitely work. One thing I want you to know is, let's go to Pancakeswap. It's much more better, useful on Pancakeswap because you're not using auto slippage. So what you just need to do is, let me just pick any token. For example, you want to buy this. Okay, I can't use max here. 0.001 for example. So here, let me just change the gas to, you can decide to pick 0.5. Trust me, it will go through. It's just that it will still charge the amount of fee set on the contract of the token, but it will make it go faster. So what you just need to do, if I should swap now, it won't go through. You see, it's as if it wants to go through now, but once I click approve, it will fail. It will fail because the gas fee, it's not as much as it is stipulated in the contract. But what you need to do is, it's actually because I think this project has been rock pulled, that's why it's even going through. But let's say, for example, okay, let me try this and see. Yeah, you can see it said this transaction will not succeed either due to price movement or fee on transfer. Try increasing your slippage. You can see what it shows. So I want to show you this. Let's do this. Let's make just 2 zeros. You can see from 508 to 500. Okay, well, let me try it again. I use 0.001. You can see the figure is showing 508.8891. I'm clearing all figures after decimal, then I'm making the last two figure zeros. Then let's see if it will show. You can see now it's going, it will go through because I've done that. But you can see the gas fee is still kind of higher. No, this is the gas fee, this is the network fee. We call it gas fee. So you can see that's the network fee. So network fee plus the amount I'm buying is what makes up 122. So you can see once I click approve, it will go through. So that's just the trick a lot of people don't know. You will be saying, I've been trying to swap, other people are swapping, and now the coin is dumping. No, just do this. Trust me, this is just all you need to do to help you swap faster than anybody. Because when you are trading Degens, it is not technical analysis that is making Degen works. The tactics behind Degens is that the earlier you buy, the better. If you buy at 1,000 market cap, once it goes to 10,000, automatically you have times 10 of what you invested. If you invest just $5, once it gets to $10,000 from the 1,000 you invested, automatically you are having what? You are having $100. That's if you invested $10 at 1,000 market cap. Once it gets to 10,000 market cap, you are having $100 because it's multiplied by 10. But you were trying to buy at 1,000, but as you don't know how to trick this slippage, it got to 5,000 before you were able to buy. So once it hits 10,000, you are only having multiplied by 2. But those who were able to buy at 1,000, they are automatically having times 10 of their investment. I hope you get the tricks now. So that is how it works. And one thing about the Degen is, once you see close to times 2 or times 2 of your investment, times 2 is always very easy. 100% is always very easy when you buy a very good Degen. So it is now up to you to control your greed. Once you see times 2, the first thing that should come to your mind is take your capital plus 20 or 30% of profit. Then you can leave the rest to move. if it moves well, maybe the profit times 2 or times 3, move half of what you have there. Don't say it can go, it can be like Shiba, it can end up being like Doge. Yes, even if it will end up being like it, make sure that it is only little profit you left that now turned big money. We've seen wallets that use $0.5 to make millions of dollars with SafeMoon back then. So you can just do that. So all you need to do is control your greed. That's very, very important, because from I have times 10, you can end up losing everything on the gen. It will rock pull. You will just sleep and wake up and find out that you are seeing zero. So you need to be very, very careful. So I hope believe this video will really do justice to helping a lot of people on how to actually trade Degens and be fast with swapping. I believe this trick will help everyone a lot. So thank you very much, guys, for watching my video. If you are here to subscribe to my channel, don't forget to click on that subscribe button. If you're here to also, just don't forget to like the video and also share with your friends and family. It will go a very long way to help them in this Degen trading. So thank you very much for watching, guys. See you next time. If you think you have you want any video you wish you wish me to actually make, just drop it on my Twitter handle. I'll look into it and make a video on it and drop it on my channel. So thank you, guys. Bye.